approached us, and they had already established themselves as a football helmet company. And then they came to us and said, you know, we really need a upper echelon, top tier helmet design. We need something that's the best of the best, the fastest, the lightest, the most protective. And we plan on taking that design and using it for the rest of the lineup.
It needs to be lightweight, breathable, high ventilation, so it can't be too wide or too tall. And players, you know, want to feel confident and comfortable when they're wearing the item.
The real challenge was to figure out how to synthesize both the logical problem-solving component of physically protecting the athlete in a way that improved protection, but then didn't fail when it met the mirror test.
So we did what we usually do. We have a very particular process we use. We put the helmet design into the process and came up with really the most wicked design we possibly could at that time for Rawlings.
One of the things that we did for the Tachyon was a raised mohawk feature, which is creating an offset on the upper part of the shell, which allows for greater surface area on the interior for padding to absorb impacts. It gives the visual appearance of, I guess, a little bit of attitude.
And the other nice thing that it did was it allowed for an opportunity to create like a signature visual, right? So easily identifiable on the field as a specific product or specific brand's product.
Number two is usually ventilating as much as you possibly can without taking away structural integrity.
We've flipped the layering of the foam on the interior from being a protective layer to a comfort layer.
We found that inverting the sizing component and the actual padding component, it made the helmet test much, much better. Another component of that helmet was that the face guard is to be forged now.
So you've got better visibility out of these face guards, you've got increased strength, and you've got reduced weight.
So for us to kind of say that we designed a 5-star helmet, the most sleek helmet out there, it's a very proud moment for us. So it's definitely worth talking about. It's a great helmet.